Welcome back. In today's lecture, we will solve one numerical example on Bode plot and we will investigate its stability. The numerical example considered in this lecture is a little bit different than the earlier examples. Let us move to it. So here the system given is already in the time constant forms, like 5 upon s into 1 plus 2s into 1 plus 4s. So in this case the transfer function is already in the standard form and just we need to find out the corner frequencies and arrange them in the ascending order. Let us start it. So we have GSHS equal to 5 upon s into 1 plus 2s into 1 plus 4s, and so its frequency response function g of j omega h of j omega is 5 upon j omega into 1 plus j2 omega into 1 plus j4 omega. Now here corner frequencies are nothing but in this format 1 plus j omega by omega c. So here this must be written as 5 upon j omega into 1 plus j omega by 0.5. 2 can be written as 1 by 0.5, and same way in the next pole it will be 1 plus j omega by 0.25. So the corner frequencies are pole at origin, so 0, 0.25 and then 0.5. So let us move to analysis for gain plot. So different factors are k equal to 5, pole at origin, then pole at omega equal to 0.25 and then pole at omega with 0.5. So here we need to alter the sequence. So sequence shall always be in the ascending order of the frequencies. So first gain is factor is k equal to 5. So its effect is 20 log k, that is equal to 13.98 dB for all omega, and the next factor will be pole at origin. So its effect is minus 20 dB per decade from origin, and overall effect will be minus 20 dB per decade from origin up to omega equal to, next factor is omega equal to 0.25. So when we talk from omega, the effect is from origin, but in our case it shall be from the starting frequency up to 0.25 radian per second. Then the next effect is pole with omega equal to 0.25, this one. So effect will be minus 20 dB per decade from omega equal to 0.25, and overall effect will be minus 20 added to minus 20, it is minus 40 dB per decade from omega equal to 0.25 up to next frequency, that is omega equal to 0.5, and then the last factor is pole with omega equal to 0.5, and in this case again its individual effect is minus 20 dB per decade, but from omega equal to 0.5. and overall effect will be minus 40 plus minus 20 is minus 60 dB per decade from omega equal to 0.5 onwards till the end, because after omega equal to 0.5 there is no pole or zero. So this is for the effect of factors on gain plot. Next is analysis for phase plot, and here we need to consider different frequencies and corresponding phase angles. So again we will start. So how to consider this range? So the starting is omega equal to 0, but that we cannot take. So consider the next factor, it is 0.25, means your starting decade shall be prior to this. So here also we can consider the starting frequency as 0.1. And what should be the last frequency we consider? It shall be at least 10 times of the last one. So last factor is 0.5. So at least we shall go up to 5. So let us complete a decade and we shall let us consider the range from 0.1 to 10. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 1, and then 2, 5, 10, and for our convenience last reading we are taking at infinity. Phi is equal to, in this case it is minus 90 minus tan inverse of 2 omega minus tan inverse of 4 omega. You can calculate from this also. And if I substitute these frequency values in this formula, I will get the values as minus 123.11 degree, minus 150.46 degree, minus 198.43 degree. That means omega PC will be somewhere near 0.5, prior to 0.5. And actually our importance is over, but let us calculate up to 10. Minus 229.40 degree, then minus 248.84, minus 261.43 degree, minus 265.71. I have calculated all these values at the back end to save the time. And now entire information is gathered. Let us sketch the Bode plot. So we are ready with the template. Here our starting point will be 20 log k. There is one pole at origin and starting point frequency is 0.1. So one decade to, left to of 1, and that means it will be 20 log k plus 20. So it will be 34, approximately 34 will be the starting point. So this is 20, 24, 28, 20, 32, and here in between this will be 34. And the effects are minus 20 dB per decade from starting point up to 0.25. So 0.25 we have to mark this frequency parallel to this minus 20 dB per decade line, and only up to 0.25. So it is 0.2, 0.3, and in between there are 10 lines. So this is 0.25. Then next is minus 40 dB per decade from 0.25 up to 0.5. So it will be line parallel to 40 dB per decade, and it will be up to 0.25. So up to 0.5. So up to this point, and then last one will be minus 60 dB per decade slope from 0.5 onwards. So this is the gain plot, and its omega GC is coming around somewhere 0.8 and 0.9. So it is 0.85. From Bode plot we get omega GC is equal to 0.85 radian per second. Then let us mark the phase points, and the points are at point 1 it's minus 123, so that point will be minus 123 here. Then next is at point 2 it's minus 150, so 135, 144 and 150. Then next at point 5 it's 198, 3, 4, 5, so 198, so it will be 189, 198, this one. Then next is at 1 it's 229, so here. Then at 2 it's 248, so 249, 24 more, 996 here. Then at 10 at 5 it's 261, 3, 4, 5, so it's 261, and at 10 it's 265. So all points are marked. Now let us join them with freehand. So it's over. And let us find out its phase crossover frequency. It is between 0.3 and 0.4, 2 lines before. So omega PC is equal to 0.38 radian per second. And now let us find out its gain and phase margin. So this one is the gain margin, and here we will get the phase margin. So let us count it. It's about this complete one block. So phase margin is minus 45 degree. Why minus 5? Because 180 plus this phase. So 180 plus minus 225 is minus 45 degree. And for gain margin it will be 0 minus this, it is 16, it is between 16 and 20, so 18. So gain margin is equal to minus 18 dB. So system is unstable. Why unstable? Because gain and phase margin are negative, and also because omega PC is less than omega GC. It is enough in this lecture. In the next lecture we will solve a problem where we will have poles as well as zeros. Thank you.